Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Gains for another video. I'm going to give you a weekly forecast for Veracity, VRA. I call it Veraskla, but you can call it whatever you like. I've done videos on these weekly forecasts on Bitcoin and Xrp. If you haven't seen it, make sure you check these out. These are the videos you want to start checking now so you can know exactly when to buy and sell, especially through these drops. Prices are dropping. Veracity is mega cheap right now in my eyes, but there could be some more room for Veracity to come down. Do I have your attention? If I do, please drop that like. Give me a subscribe if you're new watching. Are you holding Veracity? Do you want to buy more? Because this is what's going to help you on your journey. Before I go any further, I need to let you know, I am not a financial advisor. These are my personal opinions on the market. So please do your further research before you invest your money. You know, you can buy Veracity on crypto.com right now, you know, because there hasn't been many popular exchanges to buy it on. You know, you get KuCoin, which is actually was quite popular, but I'm on about, for, you know, newcomers that come into the space, they usually go to Coinbase and, you know, crypto.com. You can now buy it on there. Reason I'm saying this is because it could be a good buy. You know, prices are low. Let's just take a look at the chart. I've got the EMA ribbons here, and I want to make this video quick. And you can see we've got the Tangle. Prices are coming downwards. I would expect, right? I'm going to try and figure out where the bottom is. I'm not sure exactly where, but I would expect that if it's to see a rebound, you know, we could see prices come up to the 0.16 or, you know, 1/6 cent. Penny and a half at the max on this, right? This is on the daily time frame. These are the resistance levels that I'm looking for, because you need to see if it's going to come up. Is it going to fall back down again on our face? And that's what we need to work out. Here, look, 0.19, so almost 2 cents. Those are the resistance levels. If Veracity can break these resistance levels, see some candles above and start, you know, moving upwards, great. But that's the levels that I'm looking for. It's been anywhere from 0.16 to 0.19 if you're trading this on a short-term time frame, you know, 1 hour, 2 hour. Let's have a look at the week real quick. It tells a different story. You have a lot more room for Veracity to come up in price. And I'm going to take this line and bring it right up here, all the way up here. Right up here. We could see, I mean, it's looking quite bearish at the minute, at this time period at the minute for Veracity. But we could see Veracity come all the way up to, you know, 2 cents, 0.27, almost 3 cents. You could very well see that. It could come all the way back up there. So, you know, maybe when you look at it at that perspective, it could be a good buy now. We've seen a lot of red candles through the whole crypto space. So, you know, I'm just trying to give you guys a window of opportunity to maybe consider looking at times when to buy. Not financial advice, but when I look at Veracity at a penny from where it was before, you know, because this was sitting at about, what, 4 or 5 pence? Something like that. What? Even higher. 6 pence. That's 6 times your money back right there when it goes to all-time highs. So, you know, I'm showing you this with a firm eye, and I'm saying, like, you know, could be a good entry right now. So I expect this to retrace anywhere up, you know, if it breaks the 0.1 to 0.9, you know, 2 cents, it's coming straight up to here. This will be the next resistance for Veracity, 0.27. If it breaks that, my God, you're going to see new all-time highs. Look at this, look, real quick before I go, because I want to keep it short, sweet, and simple. I've got this 50-week, and actually, I'll take these down. I only want to show you this. This is the most important line right now. The 50-week moving average. Look at this, Veracity on the weekly time frame, and this is the 50-week moving average. See here, 50. Now, it held support in the past. When it broke this 50 line, which you can see right here, when it broke it, it went on an insane parabolic run, right? You know, we saw this massive run up all the way up here, went, you know, come right up here. When it came down, it held support on this 50-week moving average. And same again, bounced off it, came here, and then it broke it. It broke it around the same time that Bitcoin broke the 50-week as well. So I believe, you know, most of these coins are still falling because of the Bitcoin, but once people take the profits out of Bitcoin, I believe they're going to flood the market, and we're going to see an alt season like we've never seen before. The key point for Veracity is to break this. You know, I'm looking at this. If it can get above this, I'm showing you key levels that, you know, again, if you want to day trade it, you know, hold it or buy it when you're trying to figure out when to buy, these are the levels that you want to see. But I'll tell you what, when it breaks this key level here, this is it. This, you know, it's going up. It's going to set itself on fire, because look what happened last time when it, you know, it broke this, held support on this yellow line. And I need to show you, this isn't a small pump. This is an insane pump. You're talking, I can't even get up there. Oh my God. You're talking a 13,000%. That's a serious pump. What would happen to the price if it was to do a similar pump. No, I'm going to keep it real. I want to keep it real. That was 13,000%. I want to keep it real. What if it did half of that? What's half of that? 6,500? What if it did a 6,500% pump for where it is now? I had to make it, squash it down, make it tiny, because I want to make sure what 6,500%. Right about here. 6,500%. Yeah, put it at an 84-cent price. I've been calling a $1 price for VRA for a while now, because I believe it's going to happen. And if it comes above this yellow line and it holds support, new candles print above this yellow line, you best brace yourself, because you're going to see some serious bullish moves for VRA. That's all I'm saying. So keep an eye on this. 0.31. If you're trying to decide if you want to accumulate, you best start accumulating under 0.31. That is not financial advice, because once it breaks above 0.3 cents and it starts printing new candles, it could very well explode, just like what it did back there. So I wanted to bring that to your attention. I'm going to leave it here. If this was helpful, please drop that like. Give me a subscribe if you're new watching. Do you like these weekly forecasts? Because if you do, again, check the XRP one, check the Bitcoin one. I'm going to be bringing more. Drop your comments down on what videos. Yeah, what videos you'd like me to do for cryptocurrency. Which forecasts would you like to see for the week? Because I'm going to do Cardano. I'm going to bring it all. But I'm interested to know what other coins you hold. Thank you for watching. Oh, if you want, you can become a patron. I've got 7 tiers. Look at these, like all the different tiers. Take your pick. I recommend my exclusive VIP partner tier, because that tier unlocks all my posts you can see when I'm buying, selling, staking. They see this video before you do, which is why you should become a patron. You can get in early. You can see these videos because it might pump in that time before I upload it. Whereas they see it, they get to prepare themselves. And yeah, and if you want, I've got a CEO tier that unlocks my VIP Telegram group. You get access to that, and you can see everything I do way before I do it, way before I buy, way before I sell. It's all in here. We've got big money, high crypto profile users who know how to make money sharing great projects. That's all I'm going to say. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Cheers.